Unlock a faster, more secure website by seamlessly connecting your Cloudflare domain to hosting or hosting. First, let's head over to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites tab to view all the domains you're managing. Now, we need to update your DNS records in Cloudflare to point to your hosting or server. Click on the domain you want to integrate, then go to the DNS section, locate the record for your root domain, usually at. The crucial step here is to replace the existing IP address with the one provided by your hosting or account. You can find this IP address within your hosting or hosting control panel, often on the main dashboard or in the DNS management section. Ensure this record is set to Proxy by Cloudflare, indicated by the orange cloud. Next, we'll configure the www subdomain. Find the CNAME record for www. If it doesn't exist, you'll need to add it. This record should point to your root domain, which is typically at. Double check that both your root domains, a record, and the www CNAME record have the orange cloud icon, signifying that Cloudflare's proxy and CDN services are active for them. Now switch over to your hosting or control panel. Most of the heavy lifting is done in Cloudflare, but it's good practice to ensure that hostingers' nameservers are correctly configured for your domain. Within your hosting or account, navigate to the domain section and select your domain under the nameserver settings. Ensure they are pointing to hostingers' default nameservers. If they are already pointing to Cloudflare, you generally don't need to change them here, as Cloudflare is now authoritative for your DNS. With the DNS in place, let's leverage Cloudflare's performance enhancements. Go back to your Cloudflare dashboard, select your domain, and head to the Speed tab. Enable Auto Minify for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML to reduce file sizes. Also, enable Brotli compression. This advanced compression method further optimizes your website's loading speed by reducing the amount of data transferred. For enhanced security, navigate to the SSL TLS section in Cloudflare. Ensure your SSL TLS encryption mode is set to at least flexible if your hosting or site doesn't have an SSL certificate, or full strict if your hosting or site already has a valid SSL certificate installed. This secures the connection between your visitors and your website. After these steps, allow a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate globally. You've now successfully integrated Cloudflare with Hostinger, boosting your website's security and performance.